Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Today is a great day. We're launching our first digital magazine, Last Mile, so get ready to get a copy of that today. Also, we've got our MIPIM and EXPO Real magazines we just started working on, so definitely let us know if you've got any editorial or anything you'd like to go on that. MIPIM this year is beginning of September, so we're in the throes of getting that magazine put together. Also, our September events, we've got September 16th, which is the Back to Business cocktails, and we're doing that at La Regina Hotel. We have done it in the past there. Great outside area, great inside area, so we'll definitely have a lot of fun there. We hope you'll be part of that. And then on the 22nd, we of course have our OctoberFest event, Europa Properties OctoberFest event, which will be held at the InterContinental Hotel. A lot of developers already signed up, a lot of investors already coming, so we hope to see you there. Also, our October 20th and 21st is our annual CEE Investment Awards, also at the InterContinental Hotel. So a lot of great events on the way after summer, so we hope to see you all quite soon. So now, Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, let's just jump right into the news, yeah?
Sure.
And so we'll take a little break and we'll be right back for all the exciting, let's call it an adventure into CRE news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the brave new world of Europa Properties Last Mile digital and interactive magazine. It's the only one of its kind to cover the Central and Eastern European region with 100% dedication and focus on industrial property and logistics. Don't miss our June edition. Okay, so welcome back, and as you can see, we're also outside on our Europa Property Terrace here at the New Work offices in Warsaw. So, Winston, let's start it off.
Yeah, so thanks, Craig. Thanks for that nice introduction. And today we'll start in the investment market, and we have a newcomer to Poland.
All right. And
this is NREP. Mm-hmm. It's a real estate investor from the Nordics, and they've made their first investments. The company has acquired a substantial logistics portfolio of 130,000 square meters, and it's invested in over 1,000 new residential apartments in central Warsaw.
Wow, a big start.
Massive start, yeah. Mm-hmm. They plan, according to the company, to invest 500 million in Poland by the end of the year.
Wow. Okay.
So this is like a big statement entry.
Sounds like Investor of the Year at the Investment Awards.
Maybe next year.
One of them. Yeah,
maybe next year. Next year. But so they've been investing in the Nordics for 15 years, and they want to expand their presence in Poland and to leverage the company's opportunities within their two largest business areas, which are logistics and rental housing. So they've made a big start to that. And according to Klaus Mathiasson, he's the CEO of NREP, mm-hmm. He says that Poland is described as Europe's tiger economy with low unemployment and rising wages. But he says, however, the real estate quality in supply is generally lagging, and he can see impressive opportunities that NREP can bring to the market and their approach, and it can create great value for all their stakeholders.
So lagging product.
Lagging product, okay.
Yeah,
that's what I think. I think a lot of investors and thought leaders around the region, they do say one of the biggest setbacks in the region is product.
Right. Okay. Well, good. They're going to fix that. We'll have to ask Klaus to join our jury, I think.
Yeah, I think he would be a good one to sign up. Staying in the and just to close on this news, they will be opening an office in Warsaw this summer.
Oh, okay.
And they'll have a staff of 9 to 10 people to begin with.
Oh, excellent. All right.
Moving on and staying in the investment market, and NEPI has sold a 61 million Serbian retail portfolio to Big CEE. Mm-hmm. And this exclusive support agent in this deal was Novostan. And so the two projects sold in the Baltic region were a shopping mall around 22,000 square meters, mm-hmm. and a retail park around 8,600 GLA, and they were both signed in June. And this disposal is consistent with NEPI Rockcastle's investment strategy, is to focus on core dominant properties and increase its presence in countries with an investment grade rating. After this disposal, NEPI will continue to have just one property in Serbia, and that's the Promenada Novi Sad.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Staying in the retail market, and Cushman and Wakefield have released their latest consumer survey on the retail market, and they're trying to find out what is attracting people to shopping centres today.
Okay.
And one of the most important things for visitors post-pandemic is that they're able to shop in store, and they don't want to have to rely on the internet. They want to make spontaneous purchases.
Oh, okay.
Or unplanned purchases.
Mm-hmm.
An F&B offer is also very important, and entertainment amenities such as cinema is also what customers are looking for in retail centres. And they also like them to be family and family friendly. And however, events in shopping centres are less important to today's customers.
To these,
right. Just to conclude on this one, Beata Kokili from Cushman and Wakefield, she says that the survey clearly illustrates that most shoppers have returned to shopping centres and they want to shop. And entertainment facilities, social places such as cinemas, cafes and restaurants are also attracting growing levels of interest as further restrictions are eased.
Right. Well, it doesn't sound like it's much different than before COVID. I mean, people wanted to go there and enjoy the food offer and the beverage offer and buy things, right?
Well, I think that's a good sign for the market, Craig.
Absolutely.
I think what it emphasises is that people have missed those things in the last year, and when they did the survey of what they're looking for, it's what they had in the past, but they didn't have for a year.
Yeah, exactly. So it's probably even more so.
So probably it's a good time now they're all opening up, and they're going to see an uptick in demand there, I should imagine. And finally for today, and staying in the retail market, and Galeria Andrzejów. This is a large retail development in Andrzejów in Poland, being developed by Actium and Quilis Europe, and that's it's been topped out.
Oh, okay.
So they say that it will be open to customers in the autumn. Mm-hmm. And last week they had a massive topping out ceremony, and it was attended by the developers, investment partners, and the general contractor Karma.
Oh, great.
And the new retail park will accommodate over 30 stores. It's got a GLA of nearly 24,000 square meters, so this one will be included in our awards for sure. Mm-hmm. And some of the retailers that are going to be there are Lidl, Leroy Merlin, CCC, Smick, Rossmann, Media Expert, Martis Sport, Gist, Kick, Sinsay, House, Crop, Deichmann, Diverse, Pepco, Deals, Hebby, and Comfort. So a nice retail.
Sounds like they've signed up most of them. Okay,
yeah. I think they're doing very, very well. And and the investors and developers say they're just really happy with the authorities of Andrzejów. Mm-hmm. And all the companies involved in the investment, and it's on time, and it's going according to hand, and they're very excited to welcome people in the autumn.
Excellent. Well, it sounds like great. Well, we'll have to do a couple of I think we'll do a couple of surveys now on which shopping centers are doing well and why, and are the retailers happy, or is it more the food courts? And maybe we'll get some kind of ideas from our retailers let's say, well, for retailers, which are their favorite shopping centers, meaning the ones doing business, and the ones maybe still taking a little bit of time to come up.
Yeah, and I guess how click and collect is evolving as well, because this is also a major point to new retail centers.
Well, everybody, thank you very much for joining the Coffee with Craig show today, and we will see you tomorrow morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.